I was scrolling through the endless list of Dota 2 cosmetics when I came upon this, the Basher Blades. These I had to buy. So... I'm starting off by building the blade. I printed out the picture as a reference and to help with scaling throughout the build. I'm stacking the sizing of each layer of foam so there's less material to sand off later. Now we sand down the blade to make it perfectly smooth. I'm carefully carving the inner and outer blades with my Dremel. Okay, the blade is done. Now let's move on to the handle. I'm creating the handle by sanding down a square dowel of wood.
Open your eyes.
I'm cutting a slot in the handle to connect to the wood insert of the blade. Now let's work on creating the part to connect the handle and blade. I'll stack up layers of foam and then sand them down with the Dremel. I glued on the handle and clamped it while it was drying. Another segment done. Now let's start work on the hammer. For this I simply created the box out of pieces of foam and sanded the corners to be rounded. Now I just need to attach it to the rest of the build. Now I can start work on making the skulls. I created the base structure out of normal foam, and then covered it with foam clay. Last segment, the spike at the end of the handle. For this part, I stacked up layers of foam and carved it down to the shape I wanted. I'm gluing on the skulls from before and making other finishing touches. Okay, the build segment of this project is done. Let's move on to the painting. I use a couple layers of spray paint as primer, and then do a base coat of silver. I tape off and then start painting the skull. I start painting the handle with a wood design. I went through several iterations of the handle and ended up repainting some parts of it, but I think it came out good in the end. Okay, now the build is done. Enjoy the review. Bye.